My name is Alan Hyslop, and I'm a pulmonary critical care physician here at IU. Most people's immune system and lungs are very good at filtering out a lot of the particulate and a lot of the stuff that makes up the smog. But if you do go outside, and do go for a run for a short period of time, you do open up that window for possibly, short-term side effects, including but not limited to, asthma, bronchitis symptoms, so coughing, wheezing, chest tightness, all that. And certainly for those who are healthy otherwise, it probably is going to be something that once you're out of the smoke, the wildfire smog, you're probably fine. But for those who do have underlying chronic lung disease, yeah, it certainly could lead to more use of the rescue inhaler, maybe necessitating antibiotics or anti-inflammatory medications like steroids from their doctor, or even a trip to the emergency room. Kids are we tend to think that they're less hardy, they're more fragile, but in fact I think it's the opposite when it comes to their lungs. Kids' lungs are very hardy, very robust, and they should actually probably be less impacted by the wildfire than say an older adult. But at the same token, like if the kid has underlying asthma, then yeah, you certainly should be, as a parent, should be making sure that you do everything you can to protect your child, to make sure that they don't develop any asthma attack or flare. I do realize that this is the time of year where a lot of kids do go outside to get off their energy, but making sure that the parents are paying attention to their breathing. Are they developing symptoms of wheezing, coughing, and if they're describing chest tightness or any shortness of breath, to make sure that they try to remove them as soon as they possibly can from being outside. So that's probably one question I get asked quite a bit is if I'm out in this kind of smog or this kind of haze, can I wear anything that will protect them? The short answer to that is that all the different masks or different personal protective equipment that you could wear, there are certain ones that can, but they are very cumbersome. And obviously if you're a worker, it's really hard to wear a mask and work in this kind of heat as well. So I would say in general, there are certain respirators that do provide that protection. Just a general painting type respirator that you can get with the cartridges on the side. Those would protect you, but the problem is, like I said, they're very hot and cumbersome. So the most important thing is that it's just making sure that you try to reduce your exposure as much as possible to the outside air.